If the noise of mechanical monsters satisfies you, we hope you've enjoyed this exciting look into the cutting-edge world of modern forestry. If you found it interesting, don't forget to show your support by subscribing and sharing this video with your friends. Your engagement helps us bring you even more thrilling content. The small DF180D attached to the John Deere 333G shows just how efficient compact equipment can be. The DAF180D tears through vegetation with precision, easily cutting and clearing dense brush and small trees. Coupled with the power of the John Deere 333G, this setup makes quick work of land clearing tasks, proving that size doesn't always dictate capability. The Bandit Beast, 1425. Horizontal grinder lives up to its name, effortlessly grinding through wood waste, brush, and other materials. Its compact size doesn't compromise its power, as it quickly processes even tough debris with minimal effort. Designed for smaller scale operations, it's the perfect machine for those looking to get maximum efficiency out of a smaller yet incredibly strong grinder. In a high-speed chainsaw, professional post-ripping race, the action is intense as skilled operators race against time to slice through logs with precision. The roar of the chainsaws fills the air, while each competitor demonstrates expert control, making clean, fast cuts. It's a thrilling showcase of speed, skill, and power as they transform raw timber into perfectly cut posts in seconds. (937B) is a powerhouse as it moves through the cedar forest, cutting down trees with incredible efficiency. The machine's precision and strength are on full display, handling large cedars like they're mere saplings. Each cut is clean and controlled, with the cedars falling exactly where intended, making the process swift and smooth. The Kara F200. Sawmill is a highly efficient machine, turning logs into perfectly cut timber with remarkable precision. Its robust design allows for smooth operation, quickly slicing through wood to produce uniform boards and beams. With its speed and accuracy, the Kara F200 makes the process of milling both easy and reliable, ensuring high-quality results with every cut. Is a true display of old-school craftsmanship combined with raw power. The massive log, heavy and dense, is smoothly handled by the Frick, whose sturdy construction has withstood the test of time. Watching the blade slice through the oak is mesmerizing, each pass turning a massive tree into perfect slabs of wood, showcasing the strength and durability of this classic sawmill.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
The Eureka Rental Stump Planer is a powerful tool designed for efficiently removing stubborn tree stumps. With its robust drill bit attachment, it grinds down stumps quickly, turning tough roots into manageable mulch. This tool makes the process of stump removal straightforward and effective, saving time and reducing the need for heavy machinery while delivering excellent results. Head the Cat 259D, equipped with the FA 150 mulcher head, effortlessly powers through thick brush and small trees. Its compact yet powerful design makes quick work of even the most challenging vegetation. As the mulcher head grinds down the plant material, the precision and strength of the machine shine, making land clearing smooth and efficient. The John Deere 333G, paired with the 2018 MH60C mulching head, is a formidable force in land clearing. With precision control, the machine grinds through tough vegetation, shredding trees and brush effortlessly. Its powerful hydraulic system and rugged design allow it to handle demanding tasks with ease, making even large-scale clearing projects feel manageable. D. Horizontal grinder, the Peterson, 5,710. D. Horizontal grinder is a beast when it comes to processing massive amounts of wood waste. With its powerful engine and heavy-duty grinding system, it pulverizes logs, stumps, and other materials into mulch with impressive speed and efficiency. This machine is built for high-volume work, making it a reliable choice for large-scale forestry and land clearing operations. The driver skillfully maneuvers his heavily loaded logging truck around a sharp mountain bend. The truck's engine roars as it hauls tons of timber, yet the driver's experience shows in the seamless control as he navigates the tricky corner. Once again, a powerful towing vehicle steps in, demonstrating the power of collaboration. Another truck barrels through a muddy, treacherous road, wheels digging into the slush, but the driver maintains perfect control. Only someone with his level of expertise could make such a hazardous route seem like just another day at work. His truck, laden with heavy logs, grips the road as the tires struggle for traction, but the years behind the wheel guide him smoothly through. The truck's strength and the driver's steady hands are a winning combination in the face of challenging terrain. A heavy-duty logging truck struggles to navigate through a muddy, uneven stretch of road. Despite its powerful engine and heavy load of timber, the truck sinks slightly into the muck, unable to gain traction. Fortunately, a sturdy tow truck comes to the rescue, effortlessly pulling the logging truck back onto solid ground, showcasing the teamwork needed in challenging terrain. The vehicle surges forward, pushing through the mud with ease as the driver handles every move with precision. His decades of experience shine through with each controlled movement.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future.
His years of experience help him anticipate every turn, keeping the vehicle moving even as it battles the elements. It's a powerful display of both man and machine conquering the harshest conditions. On a narrow, perilous road, the truck driver makes light work of a daunting series of sharp turns. With full control over the massive machine, he navigates each twist with ease despite the heavy load.
This is the future. Human error. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
Another driver with the confidence of years on the job maneuvers his fully loaded truck through a heavily rutted, muddy road. The vehicle powers through the muck, and the driver's precise handling ensures it stays on course.